Hey everyone, welcome to UV Crafts. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a chalkboard at home. For that, I have taken here an A3 size black chart paper. I have made a rough template of things I have to write and the design which I want to make. This will help me while making the chalkboard. I have written the name on the top of the chalkboard with the help of a pencil first, and then I am going to use a white pen to trace on top of that. If you don't have a white pen, you can also use a white chalk to make it more budget friendly. I am going to use a thinner nib to do some detailing part. I am writing some parts with the colored chalk sticks. The reason for that is I can erase that part again and I can use it for his next birthday as well. So now I'm going to make some cupcakes, candles, ribbons, balloons to make it look more attractive.